Hello students, today we are going to continue our 6.2 exercise. We are on 6th one sum. Let's read. In the figure 6.21, A, B and C are the points on OP, OQ and OR respectively such that AP parallel to PQ and AC parallel to PR. Show that BC parallel to QR. So 6.21 this one, and in this one AB parallel to PQ and AC parallel to PR, and we have to prove BC parallel to QR. Let's do. So firstly AB parallel to PQ. So we can take triangle POQ. So in this one, when two sides are parallel, so we can use tails. So we can write OA over AP and OB over BQ. Okay. The second one they given AC parallel to PR. So we can take triangle POR. In this one, these two sides are parallel. So by tails, we can write OA over AP, OC over CR. Okay. Now we have to compare these two statements. So in this one, OA upon AP, it's also OA upon AB. So these are both are equal. So it's also equal. So it means OB over BQ and OC over OR. Let's check in the diagram. OB over BQ, OC over CR. So it's right. It's satisfied to tails. So by BPT again, we can say BC parallel to QR, and this one we have to prove. Now in the next one sum, 7th one sum, using theorem 6.1 theorem, that is Thales theorem. Prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of triangle parallel to another side bisect the third side. It means we have done if one side is parallel to the another, then that two sides are cut at distinct point. So they have given that one side that they have the midpoint, second is parallel, and third one we have to prove midpoint. Now we can draw diagram firstly, same as we have drawn in Thales theorem, that A, B, C and D and E. But here given that is the midpoint, it means these two are equal. So when D is midpoint, so we can write AD is equal to DB. Okay? If AD is equal to DB, then if I transfer the another side, that become AD over DB is equal to 1. Okay? So I given it first number, and already that is given DE parallel to BC. So by BPT, by Thales theorem, we can write AD over DB is equal to AE over EC. So AD over DB, that equal to 1. That value of 1 we can put. It means 1 equal to AE over EC. Now do the cross multiply. What become? It become AE is equal to EC. It means AE is equal to EC. It means E is the midpoint of AC, and this one we have to prove. Now see the 8th one sum. Using theorem 6.2, prove that the line joining the midpoint of any two sides of triangle is parallel to the third side. Firstly 6.2 theorem, that is converse of Thales theorem. In this one we have to prove now that already they have given that points are midpoints and the two sides joining, and the third side is parallel to third. This one we have to prove. So I have a diagram same as it is we have used in the converse of Thales. So DE parallel to BC we have to prove. Firstly they have given D is the midpoint of AB and E is the midpoint of AC. So if D is the midpoint of AB, so we can write AD is equal to DB. So if it's transfer that side in divide, so it become AD over DB is equal to 1. Same in this one, E is the midpoint of AC. So AE is equal to EC and it's also shifted that side by divide, and it equal to 1. Now compare 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, in both right hand sides are equal. If right hand sides are equal, then left hand side also equal. So it means AD over DB is equal to AE over EC. Now check AD over DB, AE over EC. So it satisfy to Thales. It mean DB DE parallel to BC. Okay. Now the next one statement. Ninth one. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to DC and its diagonal intersect each other at a point O. Show that AO over BO and equal to CO over DO. So firstly, ABCD is a trapezium and AB parallel to DC. So ABCD is a trapezium and in this one AB parallel to CD and its diagonal AC and BD intersect at O, and we have to prove AO over OB, OC over OD. So firstly in construction I have draw OL parallel to AB. See, if OL parallel to AB, that lie in triangle DAB. So by Thales, if these two sides are parallel, then we can write in a ratio. So DL over LA या AL, OD over OB. ठीक है. And now if OL parallel to AB and already AB parallel to CD, it mean OL also parallel to CD. ठीक है. So this one now lie in triangle ADC. ADC, OL parallel to DC. Now by again Thales theorem, we can write AL over LD, AO over OC. This one. Okay. Now we are going to compare, but when we are going to compare, these sides are equal, but it's a reciprocal of this one. So we are going to reciprocal this term. So it become AL over DL is equal to OB over OC. Now compare the both terms. We are going to compare from 1 and 2. Left hand sides are equal. So right hand side also equal. So it's equal to OB over OD is equal to OC, AC over OC. Just convert reciprocal these two. Interchange. So it become AO over OB and OC over OD. And this one we have to prove. Now see the 10th sum. The diagonal of quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at a point O such that AO over BO is equal to CO over DO. Show that ABCD is a trapezium. So they have just given quadrilateral and diagonal intersect at O, and already this one is given, and now we have to prove it's a trapezium. So firstly ABCD is a quadrilateral given and diagonal intersect at O. From my side I have taken OL parallel to DC. If OL parallel to DC, so it's lie between triangle ADC, OL parallel to DC. So by Thales we can say AL over LD, AO over OC. This one I can give the number, and which reason they already given, AO over OB, OC over OD. Just interchange these both terms. So it become AO over OC and OB over OD. Now compare 1 and 2. So whenever we are going to compare, these two terms are equal. So it means other also equal. So it's become AL over LD is equal to OB over OD. Now check AL over LD and OB over OD. So it satisfy to Thales. So by Thales we can say OL parallel to AB. So here we have taken OL parallel to DC from our side, and here OL parallel to AB we have proved. So whenever we are going to compare from third, fourth, it become AB parallel to CD. So if AB parallel to CD, we can say ABCD is a trapezium. This one we have to prove.